Want to turn on or turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram using your iPhone? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to manage 2FA step by step. So let's begin. First, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three-line icon in the right top. After that, tap on Account Center. Then tap Password and Security. Here, you will see the two-factor authentication option. Tap on it, then tap on your profile again. Here, you will now see a list of security options like Authentication app and SMS or WhatsApp. Select one of them. For example, I'm going to choose SMS or WhatsApp. And tap Next. Now follow the on-screen steps to complete setup. Now your Instagram two-factor authentication is on. Tap Next. Now if you want to turn it off, then tap on that method you selected like SMS or WhatsApp. Now just simply toggle it off, then tap Turn Off. That's it. Hope you find this video useful. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.